Okay, good morning, class. Everybody stand for our prayer. Kathleen, please lead us the prayer. Amen. Again, good morning, my dear children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, teacher.
Wow, no, I'm so glad knowing that everyone is great today. But before anything else, before you take your seat, please pick up some pieces under the floor and also arrange your chairs in the count of 3, 2, 1. Okay, you may now take your seat. Thank you, class. Um, Before we proceed to our new discussion, let me check first your attendance. Kathleen, may I know who is absent today?
None, teacher.
Oh, wow, very good. Everyone is present. Let's give ourselves 3 big claps. 1, 2, 3. Wow. But before we dive in our discussion, I have here some classroom rules for you to follow so that we will have a smooth discussion. Am I clear, my dear children?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Wait lang ha. Okay. Kindly read our classroom rules, class.
Listen carefully to the teacher. Raise your hand before speaking. Cooperate and participate in activities.
Okay.
Respect your
Okay.
classmate and teacher.
Okay, thank you, class. Are the classroom rules clear to everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So I'm expected that you're going to respect teacher when I'm talking, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, what was our topic last meeting?
Teacher, it is all about representing integers on the number line, teacher.
Wow, very good. Again, what is our topic last meeting, Chelsea?
Representing integers on the number line, teacher.
Very good. Okay. So, what is the number at the center of the number line? Yes, Kathleen.
0, teacher.
Well, very good. Let's give Kathleen 3 big claps. 1, 2, 3. And how about what are the numbers at the right side of the 0?
Teacher, positive, teacher.
That's right, positive. And how about the left side?
Teacher, negative.
Wow, very good. Excellent. It is negative. And now, class, I have here some scenario. Please read our scenario. Okay, let me read for you, okay? Our scenario, just like Maria, she has a saving account. Unsa gali ang naa ni Maria?
Saving account, teacher.
Account. On Monday, she deposited 500 pesos into her account. Pila gali ang giteposit sa iyahang account?
500, teacher.
500. On Tuesday, she withdrew 200 pesos to buy school supplies. Pila gali iyahang gi-withdraw?
200, teacher.
Very good, 200. On Wednesday, she deposited another 300 pesos from her allowance. On Thursday, she withdrew 100 to buy snacks. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, kung naminaw gid mo, I have here some question. Okay. First question. What was Maria's first transaction?
500, teacher.
Very good, 500. And next, did Maria's savings increase or decrease when she deposited 500? Ni-increase ba ang ni Maria, yung savings pag deposit niya og 500 or ning decrease?
Ning decrease, teacher.
Very good, ning decrease. The third, what was Maria's second transaction? Nag?
300, teacher.
200? Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
I think 200. Nag-withdraw siya og 200. On Monday, she deposited 500 into her account. On Tuesday, nag-withdraw siya og
200,
200.
teacher.
Para saan man niyang 200? Yun sa man niyang 200?
To buy school.
Buy school supplies. Okay. Did Maria's saving increase or decrease when she withdraw 200? Ning decrease ba or ning increase? Ning withdraw mo siya og 200.
Yung decrease, teacher.
Very good, ning decrease. So pila na lang may nabilin sa iyang bank account?
300, teacher.
Very good, 300. And which transaction increased Maria's savings? $500?
I hope so, teacher.
I hope so. It's 500. Okay. Okay. But just like Maria, when we withdraw cash in our bank account, mo increase ba ato ang kuan? Mo increase daw ang ato ang money. If daw mag-withdraw, mo decrease daw. And decrease and increase represent what symbol man? Positive.
Teacher.
Yes, Kathleen.
I think pag decrease, teacher, kay negative siya, teacher.
Okay, how about kuan kanang ning increase?
I think positive, teacher.
Very good, positive. So now, kabalo naman mo nga if mag-withdraw ta is mo gamay ang mo increase atong money, and if mag-deposit mo increase. So now be with me, Teacher Lisa, because we're going to talk about
Wow!
Just wait for a while. Uy. Are you okay, class?
Yes, teacher. We're okay.
Everyone, please read aloud our new topic for today.
Compares and arrange integers.
Again, I can't hear you.
Compares and arrange integers.
Okay, our new topic for today is compares and arrange integers. But before anything else, at the end of the lesson, you are expected to attain these learning objectives. Kindly read.
Compare integers inequality symbols. Arrange integers in ascending and descending order on a number line. Discuss the importance of believing oneself.
Okay, thank you, class. But before we dive in our discussion, what is integers DI? So now, we have here the definition of integers and the example. Please read, everyone.
Integers are whole numbers that can be positive or negative or zero.
Again, in Bisaya, integers daw kay mga whole numbers that can be positive or negative or zero. So here are the examples of integers. We have here a -3, -2, -1, and
Zero,
1, 2, or
3.
3. You can also read this one a positive positive 0, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, and so on. Okay,
teacher.
and now may I call teacher Kathleen to continue our discussion.
Hello class, so I am your teacher Kat and I will be continue discussing about comparing integers. And now, how will we compare integers? Let us know what is comparing integers first. Everybody read the definition of comparing integers.
Comparing integers means which number is bigger, smaller, or equal.
Very good. So now, when we compare integers, we are using symbols. And these symbols are called inequality symbols. And now, class, just wait for a while, class. So now, I have here symbols. These symbols are means greater than, and these symbols are means less than, and this is means
Equal.
So now, I have some examples. For the first example class, we have a negative 3 and a positive 5. So, which negative 3 is
Teacher ko ang teacher ka ng less than siya sa 5 teacher or
negative 3 is less than positive
5
5.
teacher.
Very good, Lisa. So, unsa may iya ang symbols?
Teacher ko an
What do you think kung unsa yung symbols?
kana teacher kanang kani teacher ay kani teacher. Kani teacher.
Okay. Lisa, correct. So, your answer is correct. So, ang positive 5 is bigger than
Negative 3 teacher.
So, ang iyang sign which is sa iya mo
Ato bang teacher?
atubang and then itudlo si
5. Ay, 3.
Okay. So now, let's proceed to the second example. We have a positive 0
And
a
negative 4.
4. Which one is bigger?
Teacher ko ang teacher, positive 0.
Okay, let's see if ang answer ni Chelsea is correct. So now, as you can see class, I have here a number line. So, sa inyong nakita, ang number line, ang naa sa tunga is
0.
0. So, asa na ito makita ang negative nga mga numbers?
Teacher, sa ko ang teacher, right side teacher.
No, Lisa. Ang negative numbers is makita nato sa left
Left side, right
So now,
teacher.
ang negative 5 ba is dool sa positive nga mga numbers?
Dili teacher.
So, si 0 kaya, doon siya sa mga positive numbers?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So, what is our answer?
Ko ang teacher, 0 teacher.
Very good. So, ang 0 is?
Ko ang teacher, greater than negative 4.
Very
So, itong
good.
gamitan teacher kay kato teacher ay.
So, unsa kay itong
Mataas.
ang akong gingon ganina kung kinsa ang bigger is niya mubuka ka ang
Yes, teacher, greater
very
than.
good. So, and this one class. So now, for the third example, we have a negative 5 and a negative 2.
2.
So, as you can see sa number line nga ako ang gihimo. Asa may mas dool si negative 5 ba or si negative 2?
Negative 2, teacher.
Very good. And si negative 2 is doon siya sa mga
Sa
positive
positive, teacher,
numbers,
sa
which is
zero.
the right side. And ang negative numbers, which is the left side. So, ang iyang sign is
Kuan,
number 2
teacher.
is okay. Thank you, class. And then, I have a question, class. If ang number is negative 3, what do you think? Asa nato siya makita or asa siya na-belong?
Sa kuan, teacher, sa left side, ay, sa right side, teacher.
No. Makita na nato ang negative 3 sa
Left side. Ay,
And
sa
then,
left side.
how about the positive 5?
The right side, teacher.
Very good. So let's give Maria a 5 big clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Okay. Okay, class. Do you know nga na ay 2 ways on how to arrange integers?
No, teacher.
If that's the case, we will discuss the 2 ways, class. But first is everybody read the definition of ascending order.
Ascending order. Arranging numbers from the smallest to biggest.
Okay. As you can see, from smallest to biggest. And then, kung tuwing ganita o kuan class, ascending order, it means from left to right. And then, like for example, we have a
Negative 3, positive 2, positive 0, negative 1, and positive 4.
so class, I have here a number line. So, as I said earlier nga, ang ascending order daw kay mag-start sa left to right. So, ang negative 3 is, nasa diri no, siya mo'y kinaunhan diri no?
Yes,
Sa
teacher.
left. Sige, we write it. Then, unsay sunod class sa negative 3?
Kuan, teacher.
Ang negative 1.
1.
Okay, we write it. Negative
1.
1. Next, unsay sunod sa negative 1?
0, teacher.
Very good, Mary. Sorry, class. Ay, class. Okay, 0 na siya, class. Next, unsay sunod sa 0?
Kuan, teacher.
Number ang positive.
Positive 1. Ay,
Two.
2, teacher. Dayan
Okay.
4.
Very good. So now, ang sunod sa positive 2 is ang 4. So, that's arranging, that's our the arranging ascending order. So, nga niyon pag-arrange ang ascending order, class. At now, so, ang negative 3, negative 1, 0, 2, o 4. So, kung pumunta na ka, teacher, saan nato na siya nakita? Ang negative 3 is na diri sa left side. Ang negative 1 is nasa left side sa. Then, right na sa class. We have 0, 2, and 4. Okay? So, ato siyang kalaruhon class ha, para makita. Nasabta na ba class ang
Yes,
ascending
teacher.
order? Okay, let's proceed to descending order. Everybody read the definition of descending order.
Descending order. Arranging numbers from the biggest to the smallest.
So class, ang descending order is from biggest to
Smallest.
Di ba, aniingon ko kaganina nga ang ascending order is from left to right? So, ang descending order is from right to left.
Left.
So, now, I have here examples. So, we have a positive 5, a positive 2, a positive 8, and 12. So, now, kaganina niingon ko from right to left. So, now, who wants to answer, class?
Teacher!
Okay, Lisa.
Kuan, teacher, biggest to smallest, teacher.
Okay.
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, thank you, Lisa. So, ang answer ni Lisa is... Makita ba ninyo, mga bata?
Yes, teacher!
Okay. Ang yung answer is positive 12. Nag-una si positive 12.
Biggest, teacher.
Based on the definition is
Biggest to the
smallest. So, mag-una
smallest.
yun ang
Biggest, teacher, and 12.
12 and 8, then positive 5, and then si positive 2.
2.
Ang answer ni Lisa is
Correct.
So now class, for this second example, so ako na mag-arrange ani class para maklaro jud ninyo, no? Mag-use ko ang number line. So, sa kaganina sa akong giingon, which is pa right to left. Now, we have a positive 7 and a positive 3 and a positive 9 in positive 5.
Positive 5.
So, another class. Just wait for a while. So, mo ni siya class. Ang number line. So, ang nag-quadri class sa right, ang naguna is ang number 9. So, we write it first the number 9. Then, ang sunod is, we have 7.
7, teacher.
And next is, number 5. Nara siya class number 5.
5, teacher. Dayon, 3 of 1, teacher.
And the last is 3. So, our answer is
9,
9,
7, 5, 3.
So, giunsa na to gali pagkuha ang descending order?
Kuan, teacher. Gikuha na to siya and to from the biggest to the smallest, teacher.
Very good, Chelsea. So now, do you have any question, class, regarding in our discussion?
Yes, I know, teacher.
Okay. If that's the case, we will have a group activity. So, this activity are called
Integer comparison race.
And now, this is the direction or mechanics. Everybody read.
Number 1, divide the class into 2 groups. Number 2, analyze each pair of integers given by the teacher. Number 3, raise your hand and complete with the other group by giving the correct inequality symbol. Greater than, less than, or equal in the blank. Number 4, discuss your answers with your group members. And number 5, present one comparison and explain your answer to the class.
So class, based on the mechanics, I will group you into 2 groups. And kaning game class is paunhanay lang mo. So I will give you a given numbers nga you will identify it if it is greater than, less than, and equal. Am I right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I will group you into 2 groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. And I will give you 3 minutes to work that. I will give you 3 minutes to prepare.
Okay, class, let's see if you really understand or listen to our topic for today. Now, I have some question, but before that, ato sa ning tabunan. Okay, wait for a while. What is... Okay, class, what is integers? Who wants to answer?
Teacher,
Yes, Kathleen, what is integers?
integers can be positive or negative, teacher.
Very good. Who can give me some positive integers?
Five, teacher.
Positive 5, very good. How about negative integer?
Negative 8, teacher.
Very good, negative 8. And how about what is comparing integers?
Teacher,
Yes, Kathleen.
it is arranging from smallest to biggest, teacher.
Isn't it?
Or how you compare the
Very
integers,
good.
teacher.
How you compare the integers? Okay. And how about what are the two ways of comparing integers?
Teacher,
Yes, Kathleen.
it is ascending order, teacher, and descending order.
Very good. And what is ascending order?
Teacher, ascending order is smallest to biggest.
Very good. And how about descending order?
Teacher, it is biggest
Yes,
to smallest.
smallest. And who can give me some example of what they call for the descending orders?
Teacher,
Yes, Kathleen.
positive 12, positive 8, and positive 5, and positive 2, teacher.
Very good. Let's give Kathleen 3 big claps. Now, I have another question to you, class. Can we read number 1?
Why is it important to believe in yourself when answering questions or doing activities?
Okay, let me read again. Why is it important to believe in yourself when answering questions or doing activities?
Teacher,
Yes, Kathleen.
it is important because believing ourselves gives us confidence to try and participate, teacher.
Okay, it gives us confidence and participate. How about number 2? Why should we keep trying even if we make mistakes?
Teacher,
Yes.
because mistakes help us learn and improve.
Okay, we can improve ourselves to correct our mistakes. Even we can face, even if positive or negative, we should face any kind of situation that happens in our challenges. Okay, and lastly, how can you show that you believe in yourself?
Teacher,
Yes, Kathleen.
by participating, answering question, and not giving up easily.
Very good. We should not give up easily. Bisan pa og nagkalisod tag-ayo, di ba? Because if we didn't give up, we can face our challenges and makuha na to ang atoang goals in life.
Yes,
Okay?
teacher.
And now, I want to know if you really understood our discussion. I have here some question, and can we get some paper to answer this one?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, please read the direction first.
Compare the following integers and arrange them in ascending or descending order. Write only the letter of the correct answer.
Okay. Do you have a paper na?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you may now start answering. Okay,
We're
tell
done,
me if you're
teacher.
done.
Teacher,
So
we're done.
Okay. Number 3, 4, 5.
We're done, teacher.
Okay. Now, please exchange your paper because we're going to check your answers if it's correct or wrong. Okay. Please read number 1.
Arrange the integers into negative 5, positive 3, 0, negative 2, and ascending order.
Okay, and what is the answer?
Ascending order, teacher, means smallest to biggest. Teacher, the answer is the letter B.
Very good, letter B. And how about the number 2?
Arrange the integers positive 8, negative 1, positive 4, negative 6 in descending order.
Okay.
The,
Yes.
the correct answer, teacher, is
Okay.
C, teacher.
Very good, letter C. It is negative
Negative
8, positive 8, positive 4, negative
1
and
negative 6.
And let's proceed to number 3.
Arrange the integers into negative 3, positive 7, and positive 1, negative 8 in ascending order.
So what is your answer, class?
Teacher, our answer is letter A.
Let's see if letter A. Chelsea, is it correct? Letter A?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, letter A. Let's give ourselves 3 big claps. Now let's proceed to number 4. Arrange the integers positive 10, positive 0, negative 4, and positive 6 in descending order. What is the answer, Kathleen?
Teacher, letter B.
Letter B. Let's see if letter B is correct. Very good. It's
Teacher.
letter B. Now let's check. How about number 5?
Arrange the integers in negative 9, positive 2, and negative 1, and positive 5 in ascending order.
Okay, what is the answer?
Teacher, our answer is C.
Letter C.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Letter C. Now, who got the perfect score?
Me, teacher.
Wow, let's give ourselves a barangay clap.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Can you give your papers here in the front? Okay, thank you. And for your assignment, please read the direction.
Direction. Write the correct symbol in the blank space to compare each pair of integers. Use a number line or your knowledge of positive and negative numbers to help you decide which number is greater, lesser, or they are equal.
Okay, understood?
Yes, teacher.
You can pass your assignment next meeting. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
See you next round.